Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can create a new Apple IV. On your iPhone, this is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, an Apple ID is a personal account, which you can use to access Apple services, like App Store iCloud Photos, Messages, and many more. With an Apple ID you can sync or back up everything that is stored on your iCloud. But to ensure that everything syncs perfectly across any of your devices, make sure to use only one Apple ID every time you set up a new device, download apps, or make a new purchase. You will be asked to log in your Apple ID. And in other words, you cannot use any other Apple products without an Apple ID to create an Apple ID. You want to go ahead and open up your settings. And inside your settings, you want to click on Sign into your iPhone. In here, if you already have your own Apple ID, you can just go ahead and type it up. And if you don't have any Apple ID, you want to click on Forgot Password or don't have an Apple ID. Click on Create Apple ID. And we will be prompted to this page. You want to enter your first name and your last name. And right after, you can then go ahead and enter your email address. You can use something like Yahoo, Google, or if you don't have an email address yet, you can just go ahead and click on Don't have an email address. Click on Get an iCloud email address. And from here, you want to answer the name of your iCloud. For example, we are going to name it this way. Click on Continue. And you want to click on Create Email Address. Now, if your email address is unique, you will be taken to the Apple ID password. But if not, it will require you to enter another email address. In here, you want to go ahead and type your password. And you want to click on Continue. Now it will then take us to our phone number. Click on Continue. And you have to agree to the terms and conditions. After successfully creating your own Apple IV, by default, two-factor authentication is automatically enabled for your device. Better security. Now that you're signed in with your new Apple IV, when you tap on iCloud, you will then go ahead and see each configuration for iCloud services. For example, we have our iCloud Media in Purchases, Find My Device, Family Sharing, and more. Now to start downloading apps from the App Store, you first need to go ahead and sign in your account in App Store. And you want to go ahead and open up the application. Inside you can just go ahead and select any application that you wish to download. And it will then prompt you to enter your password. And after downloading an application, it will then ask you this question. You can just go ahead and select your appropriate answer. Now, after downloading your first application, it will then prompt you to provide your billing information. And unfortunately, I don't have that option right here, so I'll go ahead and go to that manually. Inside your Apple IV, you want to click on Payment and Shipping. And from here, you will then be prompted to enter your credit debit card, Gash, shopping pay, or more options depending on your country. If you do not wish to purchase anything from the App Store, you can just go ahead and press on the back button. And from here we are then going to enable our two-factor authentication. You want to click on password and security. And you want to make sure that the two-factor authentication is enabled. You can just go ahead and click on it and enable the two-factor identification. If you want to, you also have your phone number inside. If you wish to edit that phone number, you can just go ahead and click on the edit button. We have our security key, our verification code, account, recovery, and more. So, guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.